charge $500 to $6,500 per gig. What sample freelancers are charging. Results not typical from pro freelancers. You may get worse, better, or no results at all. For example, a Fiverr freelancer named Delicate Motion charges clients $1,245 for a single premium gig, which is a 30-second long 2D explainer video. Upwork's freelancer Davies charges $120 per hour for an explainer video. Till now, he has already earned more than $400,000 from his video creation gigs. Endless amount of gigs. There are many more people on Fiverr and Upwork selling similar services with the track records publicly reported. Freedom to work from home or from wherever you want. Explaindio Business Edition might be just a foot in the door tool that you need for businesses to choose you instead of your competition. Video Selling Plan Details Part 1. You may modify that starter plan however you like, but it is a good goal for you to shoot for. An average video is 4.4 minutes long. So at just $200 a minute, you'd be able to charge $1,000 or more for a 5-minute video. And the best part? With Explaindio Business Edition, you'll be able to create videos with ease in multiple different styles. From doodle videos, to explainer videos, to 2D or 3D videos, or even training videos. Theoretical plan only. You may get worse, better, or no results at all. Video Selling Plan Details Part 2. Theoretical plan only. You may get worse, better, or no results at all. A 5-minute long video would take you minutes to make. And you could charge $1,000 per video. By making just one 5-minute video a week, you could charge $4,000 a month, or $48,000 a year. Imagine what you could do if you took just a few hours a week, created 20 minutes of a video at just $200 per minute per video. That's 20 minutes x $200 per minute. That's $4,000 a week. That's $4,000 a week. Times 52 weeks. That's $208,000 a year. All for a few hours of work a week. Okay, I know what you're thinking. How? Find a client that needs video. There are tons of them. You can head to freelancer sites, reach out to existing clients, or use one of your lead tools that you probably already own to find people who are interested in having video created. Create the video. The best part of Explaindio Business Edition is that you're not limited to just one style of video. Instead, you can offer an array of videos. Having all these options make it super easy to find the perfect video for your client or lead. Collect your money. Once you've found your client and made the video, the last step is simple. Collect your profits. Here's how you keep 100% of the profits. The Explaindio Business Edition license to create and sell videos made with Explaindio for profit. The best part? You get to keep 100% of the profits. So, if you're still reading this page, that means you're ready to follow these 3 simple steps to start your journey to charging $200 a minute of video or more. You'll have the full license to use Explaindio, however you want. You can sell the videos. You can be a freelancer and find clients. You can use them for your clients as well. And you keep 100% of the profits. Work less and earn more. When your business takes off, or you just do not want to do all the work by yourself, the easiest way to handle it is to let your team do it, or hire virtual workers for the job. Agency with 5 license included if you act now. It is possible because as a part of a special time-sensitive offer, we included an agency license with your Explaindio Business Edition purchase. With an agency license you will get access to our most desired multi-user license feature, which gives you 5 Explaindio licenses. It gives you the ability to have up to 5 people working for you and creating videos with Explaindio, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the profits that you generate. Also, For informational purposes, you will get a sample client contract template, which you can customize to make your own, and have it ready for clients to sign. Watch what Explaindio user has to say. Have Plan B for your life. It is clear that in an economical crisis like now, the best way to earn money is online, which can be done without even leaving your house. While earning great money online is really awesome, is it no longer just about experiencing freedom, quitting and replacing your 9-to-5 job, going on exotic vacation, driving sports cars, and being your own boss? Help businesses and profits while doing that. The internet is always open for business, and those people and businesses who make money online thrive in times like now. There is no question that there will be many permanent changes after the crisis ends, one of which is that businesses will move even more online. Free ACT now to get bonuses. Premium agency license. For the very first time, since we released the first version of Explaindio over 5.5 years ago, you get the agency version of the software with initial purchase. This is big. Instead of just one, you get 5 Explaindio licenses. Value, $497. Free upgrade to Explaindio 5 Plus Early Beta Access. For over 5 years, Explaindio has been continuously growing, with several hundreds of updates already done, and 4 major upgrades released. Upcoming Explaindio 5 major upgrade will be the biggest upgrade by far, with new features mix you cannot find in any other app. Value, $497. Free ACT now to get bonuses. Simple reasonable pricing. App is priced to fully support our users, and to hire the top developers who have been improving the software continuously for more than 5 years already. Get instant access to Explaindio Business Edition software. 600 pre-done animated scenes. 500 Doodle sketch images. 6 animated characters. 300 plus fonts. Background audio tracks. 500 full HD background videos. Access to gated Explaindio users group. Our official 30-day money-back guarantee. We also want to eliminate any stress or hesitation you may feel by taking the risk for you. You will get an entire 30 days to give the software a try. If you give our software and system a try and you decide it's not for you, we'll happily give you all your money back. There is 100% no risk. We're here to support you, and unless we amaze you with our product, we won't keep a penny of your money. If at any point you are unhappy in those 30 days, please contact us. We will quickly send you every penny back. No questions asked.